Morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Woody Chamron. I'm a former Vietnam War veteran. I joined Marshal London on 18th of March 1970, and when American withdrew to go home on the 30th of April 1975, the Khmer Rouge, Pol Pot, supported by China and killing by Communist Vietnam, Viet Cong and North Vietnamese, they come to kill us 3 million people. The world very confused. They don't know who the killer, but the killer supported by China mainland. They give them gun and food, but the killer who chop us to part 3 million is Viet Cong and North Vietnamese. The Cambodia, they call Khmer Rouge, they call Ông Cà Lơ. Ông Cà Lơ is Vietnamese infiltrate Pol Pot soldier. Ladies and gentlemen, my brother named Inviolability. He represents the 4th Army National Khmer from Cambodia to Thailand and work with the Prime Minister, 4-star General Krieng Sak Chomranon. They support us to create Rehabilitation. Rehabilitation is a guerrilla force in 1976 to 1993. We defeat Vietnam at that day. However, today I come to Geneva, Switzerland, because Cambodians said, before I go to make United Nations, I will go to see United Nations office soon. I come to Geneva Lake first. ចូលស្ទឹងតាមបត់ចូលស្ទឹកឲ្យតាមប្រទេសខ្មែរយើងអស់នេះគឺថាអ្នកធំឡើងឆ្លោះគ្នាអត់មានអាណិតមេត្តាដល់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋក្រីក្រអ្នកស្រែអ្នកចម្ការអ្នកកម្មករអត់ទេគឺដណ្ដើមគ្នាធ្វើធំចង់បានលុយកាក់ចិញ្ចក់ញើសឈាមពីប្រជារដ្ឋខ្មែរទាំងអស់ Ladies and gentlemen, I come today. I would like the world power to recognize 23rd of October 1991 Paris Peace Agreement. Without Paris Peace Agreement, Vietnam Communists, which is now, they send the troop again last month to Svay Rieng. They send the troop again. They want to swallow us all the time. Ladies and gentlemen, and the world power. On 23rd October 1991, it was signed by 5 Permanent Security Council, which is English, France, China, Russia, and America, plus another 17 powerful countries. We would like the victory of 23rd October 1991, 23rd October 1991 peace agreement to return back to Cambodia. Without peace agreement, Cambodia will be finished. Please do not confuse. Please, the leader of Cambodia, Mr. Hun Sen, Mr. Sam Rainsy, whoever. I know a lot of people love Cambodia, but you must know what to do. ចូលស្ទឹងតាមបត់ចូលស្ទឹងតាមប្រទេសអង្គុយទៅចែកគ្នាស្ដាប់គ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកកុំដណ្ដើមគ្នាទៅធំខ្ញុំមានបាវចនាផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនចំបាទឈ្មោះចម្រុងវិធីជានាយទាហានចំនួនលោកសេនាប្រកណ្ដុលបាវចនារបស់ខ្ញុំគឺស្រាស្រីល្បាយពុកលួយស្រីយួនអត់ប៉ះទេនឹងបាវចនាផ្ទាល់ខ្ញុំសម្រាប់ប្រទេសជាតិខ្មែរគឺស្មោះត្រង់ជាតិស្មោះត្រង់ជាមួយជាតិកុំឲ្យពុកលួយជាមួយជាតិកុំឲ្យដណ្ដើមគ្នាធ្វើធំហើយហ៊ានទទួលខុសត្រូវចំពោះប្រទេសយើងបងប្អូនអ្នកដឹកនាំរបស់យកបាចនាទៅ9នេះទៅប្រើប្រទេសខ្មែរយើងរួចខ្លួនពីការគៀបសង្កត់នៃប្រទេសយួនរាល់ថ្ងៃហើយប្រទេសចិនក៏មកយកកំពង់សោមហើយមកយកបោះកុងចង់ធ្វើជាសេនាធិការជើងទឹកជាទឹកដីខ្មែរមិនត្រូវចិនចូលមកធ្វើចឹងទេដូច្នេះហើយមានតែ$23ឆ្នាំ1991ទេដែលអាចធ្វើឲ្យឈ្នះពួកនេះបាន Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the world power to recognize 23rd October 91 Paris Peace Agreement to return to Cambodia. Otherwise, Cambodia will be finished. Cambodians respect all the world. Cambodia have Angkor Wat. You can see Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is for everyone in the world. Angkor Wat is for European, for America, for Switzerland, for England, for Asian. Angkor Wat for everybody. I would like everyone to ประเทศอังกอร์วัด from June and China following us. Thank you very much. May God bless you.